If the photos taken by the camera of your iPhone does not show the location where the photo was taken, then what you do is go to settings here, and you have to go to this option privacy and security. Go to location services. Make sure that this location services is on. Also go to this option share my location and make sure share my location is also on. Then go back and here select camera. Make sure you have selected this option while using the app and not neighbor. If you want to show the exact location where the photo was taken, then you can select this option precise location. Now once you have enabled the location, when you take a photo from your iPhone, then go to this photos here, select any photo and tap on this I button here, and if I move it to the top, you can see the location where the photo was taken.